Hi, today I'm running Sony Xperia 5 Mark IV and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So just let's first launch the Google app and then tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. Then click here to the Google Assistant section and tap to Hey Google and Voice Match section. So now we'll see here the Hey Google option. Click once on the switcher to activate it, then tap to Next. Yes, I agree. Click to continue. Not now. And now when we'll say OK Google or Hey Google, we can see that this option successfully activated. Just if you wanna change your voice model, you should click to retain voice model and after that say OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. After that, just tap to the right down corner to finish. Not now, and now we'll just successfully change our voice model. So when you will say the Hey Google or OK Google, you will say Hey Google. You can see that this option successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, to subscribe our channel.